Is your Audi Q7's alarm constantly going off? It's a common issue with several potential causes. Most false alarms stem from a depleted Siren battery, which has its own independent 9-volt power source, a malfunctioning tilt sensor that detects vehicle movement, or faulty door and hood switches that monitor openings. Most false alarms stem from three main areas: the Siren battery, tilt sensor, and door hood switches. First, the Siren battery. This has its own independent 9-volt battery that can deplete over time, causing intermittent false activations. Second, the tilt sensor. This accelerometer detects vehicle movement or shocks, but can malfunction due to loose wiring or moisture. Third, the door and hood switches. These micro switches signal when openings occur, but corrosion or misalignment can trigger false alarms. To quickly identify the culprit, check the Siren battery voltage with a multimeter. Test the tilt sensor by gently rocking the vehicle and inspect the switches for corrosion or misalignment. First, check the Siren battery. If it's over 5 years old, replace it. Next, inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. Clean them with electrical contact cleaner or replace if damaged. If the alarm persists, the tilt sensor might be the issue. While calibration often requires diagnostic tools like VCDS, a simple battery disconnect for 10 minutes might reset it. Remember these steps to avoid costly repairs.